Want to craft those signature, driving progressive house beats that make dance floors ignite? Today, we're diving deep into the sonic universe of Monocule. Monocule's magic lies in their distinctive sound design, and it all starts with powerful, evolving synth patches. For the lead synth, think bright, soaring saw waves with a touch of detuning for width, polish it with a touch of chorus and a Welton delay that echoes the main melody, creating that characteristic space and energy. The bassline is the backbone layer, a clean sine wave for the subfrequencies with a slightly distorted square wave for its mid-range. Grit and aggression use a generous low-pass filter with subtle LFO modulation to give it that pulsing, rhythmic feel. Arrangement is key to building tension and releasing it. Start with a stripped-back intro, introducing melodic elements, gradually build momentum with a classic fourth kick and a tight clap on the 2s and 4s. For those signature drops, utilize classic riser effects, think filtered white noise sweeps and increasing reverb tails. Automate the volume of your percussion and synths to create a dramatic crescendo, leading into the main drop. The breakdown offers a moment of respite. Strip back the energy with atmospheric pads, a more melodic, less aggressive synth line, and a softened kick. This contrast heightens the impact of the next section. When structuring your track, focus on developing your themes across different sections. Introduce new melodic ideas or variations in your bassline during the progression to keep the listener engaged. Mix and master with clarity and punch, ensuring those elements cut through. Mastering the Monocule sound is about layering, evolving textures, and dynamic arrangement. Experiment, find your own interpretation, and get ready to bring your progressive house productions to life.